Seedance 2.5 is live!
Every clip you just watched was created with Dreamina Seedance 2.5, which is now available on the Dreamina platform. This new generation of Seedance is built for longer, more consistent video sequences, with greater control over motion, visual style, and how closely the result follows your references. More specifically, Dreamina Seedance 2.5 can generate up to 30 seconds of continuous video and work with as many as 50 reference assets across images, video, and audio. This means creators can guide characters, environments, camera movement, and overall style through references, instead of relying entirely on repeated prompt-based generations. Dreamina is ByteDance's in-house AI creative platform, coming from the same parent company behind TikTok. Dreamina is the global first platform to launch Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Using Dreamina Seedance 2.5 on Dreamina is the most affordable option, and therefore Dreamina right now is the best platform for using Seedance 2.5. If you want to try Dreamina Seedance 2.5 for yourself, you'll find the link at the top of the description. Before we start generating, let me quickly show you where we're working. This is Dreamina, ByteDance's official AI creative platform. The important thing to understand is that Dreamina is not only a single AI video generator. It is more like a creative workspace where you can move between different types of AI content from one dashboard. In the center, we have the main creation box. This is where the workflow starts. You can switch between AI agent, AI image, AI video, AI audio, AI avatar, and mimic motion, depending on what you want to create. For example, if you go into AI image, Dreamina gives you access to image models like Image 5.0 Pro, GPT Image 2, Image 5.0 Lite, Image 4.7, and Nano Banana. If you switch to AI video, this is where the Seedance models come in. You can see options like Dreamina Seedance 2.5, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini, and so on. So Dreamina is not limited to one video model. It gives you different Seedance options depending on whether you want lower cost, faster generation, or a more advanced video workflow. There are also separate sections for AI audio and AI avatar. AI audio is for generating voice or speech from text, while AI avatar is more focused on avatar-style videos, where you can work with an avatar, voice, speech text, and movement instructions. On the left side, the platform is organized into a few main areas. Explore is the main home and discovery area. Create is where you access the generation tools. Assets is where your generations, elements, and projects are organized. Canvas is more of a visual workspace for building and planning creative projects. And there is also Octo, which is marked as beta. Octo is a visual canvas-style workspace where you can add images, video, audio, text, and other elements to the same project. It also includes a chat-based workflow and web search, so you can develop ideas directly inside the canvas. For this test, we are mainly focused on AI video, because that is where Dreamina Seedance 2.5 appears. Inside AI video, the workflow is straightforward. You have the prompt box, a reference area, the model selector, the workflow selector, aspect ratio and resolution settings, duration, and then the generate button. There are also different video workflows available. Omni-reference is the main reference-based workflow. First and last frames lets you guide the start and end of a clip, and multi-frames is also visible as another option. Smart Edit lets you upload an existing video and describe targeted changes, including replacing elements or editing selected areas with marks. Long Video is designed for extended generations, with an adjustable total duration of up to 180 seconds. So now that the platform is clear, let's start with the first test. For the first test, I'm generating a 15-second cinematic military strike sequence made up of 7 tightly timed shots, moving from a high-speed aerial pass to the final impact. This will test how well Seedance 2.5 follows a complex shot list, maintains continuity across rapid cuts, and handles camera direction, scale, and grounded physical motion without any visual references. For the settings, I'm using Dreamina Seedance 2.5 with a 15-second duration and 720p output, which is currently the highest quality available for this version. I'm also using no references for this test, so the model has to build the entire sequence directly from the prompt. Let's send it to generation and check the result. The result follows the planned shot progression surprisingly well, moving clearly from the jet and cockpit into targeting, bomb release, descent, impact, and the final wide view while keeping the desert environment consistent. The falling bomb and dust-heavy explosion feel grounded and carry convincing scale, although the final jet exit is not clearly visible and a few shots look more polished than the raw handheld realism requested. For the second test, I'm creating a continuous 15-second close-quarters fight inside a dark, rain-soaked industrial warehouse. This time, I want to test how well Seedance 2.5 maintains character identity while handling fast choreography, complex body movement, and dynamic camera motion. I'm going to upload my own image as the character reference, so the model has a clear facial identity to maintain throughout the entire sequence. The remaining settings are the same as the first test: Dreamina Seedance 2.5, a 15-second duration, and 720p output. Let's generate it and see how well the model follows both the reference and the choreography. The result is extremely strong. My identity remains recognizable throughout the sequence, the warehouse environment stays consistent, and the choreography flows naturally through the punches, kick, impact, and final stance. There is one small visual artifact in the hand during a fast arm swing, but outside of that brief moment, the character consistency, motion, camera work, and lighting are essentially perfect.
Next, I want to test how Seedance 2.5 handles a longer animated sequence by creating a 30-second cinematic 3D short in a colorful family animation style, following a lovable gorilla through a funny mini adventure in New York City. This test is focused on story continuity, character consistency, comedic timing, and dynamic action across a full 30-second sequence. For the character reference, I'm using a single image of the gorilla, giving the model a clear visual guide for his face, body proportions, fur, sunglasses, and red sneakers throughout the video. The settings remain the same as before: Dreamina Seedance 2.5 with 720p output and the reference image uploaded. The only change is the duration, which is now set to 30 seconds. Let's generate it and see how well the model handles a longer animated story. The result is excellent. The gorilla stays remarkably consistent, the story is easy to follow, and the movement feels smooth and energetic throughout the full 30 seconds. The comedic timing works especially well, while the colorful New York environments, expressive animation, and final bench gag make it feel like a complete and genuinely funny animated short. Since the previous gorilla animation turned out so well, I want to continue it with a second short in the same 3D family animation style. This time, the gorilla is riding a roller coaster with another character, allowing us to test two-character consistency, expressive facial animation, comedic timing, and continuity across a single 30-second scene. I'm still using the same gorilla character, but with a slightly different reference image where he is not wearing sunglasses. The settings are identical to the previous test: Dreamina Seedance 2.5, one reference image, 720p output, and a 30-second duration. Let's generate it and see if the model can deliver another complete animated comedy sequence.
I'm fine.
The result is very strong and genuinely funny. Both characters remain consistent, and the contrast between the man enjoying the ride and the gorilla gradually falling apart is clear throughout the sequence. The gorilla's exaggerated expressions, wind-blown fur, close-up reactions, and exhausted final pose create a great comedic arc, while the stable front-facing camera keeps the entire 30-second scene easy to follow. Now I'm returning to live-action realism and using my own character reference again.
This time I'm creating a 15-second tandem skydiving above Palm Jumeirah to test identity consistency under extreme motion, rapid camera changes, close-up facial distortion, and fast transitions between GoPro and aerial shots. I'm uploading the same multi-angle image of myself as the character reference, giving the model clear views of my face from different directions. For the settings, I'm using Dreamina Seedance 2.5, one reference image, a 15-second duration, and 720p output. Let's generate it and see how well the model can preserve the character during such an intense action sequence.
Seedance 2.5 is live! Yeah!
The result is excellent. My identity remains clearly recognizable from the aircraft doorway through the entire freefall, even across wide drone shots, extreme close-ups, and aggressive movement. Palm Jumeirah remains clear and convincing below, while the transitions between the aircraft, the jump, and the freefall create a strong sense of speed, scale, and realistic adrenaline. Next, I want to test whether Seedance 2.5 can maintain one physically connected camera movement without relying on separate cuts. The sequence begins at the top of the Burj Khalifa, dives towards street level, locates a moving red Ferrari, transitions into high-speed tracking, and ends by revealing me as the driver. This test is focused on spatial continuity, realistic FPV camera physics, vehicle consistency, environmental scale, and character identity across a complex continuous shot. I'm using the same multi-angle image of myself as the driver reference. The settings also remain the same: Dreamina Seedance 2.5, one reference image, a 15-second duration, and 720p output. Let's generate it and see whether the model can connect every part of the sequence into one fluid camera move. The result is excellent. The camera maintains a convincing, continuous path from the top of the Burj Khalifa to street-level tracking, while the Ferrari stays consistent and photorealistic, and the Dubai environment remains spatially connected throughout. The transition from architectural scale to close automotive tracking is especially strong, and the final driver reveal preserves my identity well, making the sequence feel like a polished commercial captured in one fluid shot. Next, I want to push the reference workflow much further. Dreamina allows us to upload up to 50 reference assets, so instead of guiding a single character or scene, I'm uploading 15 separate images and assigning each to a different 2-second section of a 30-second film. Together, these represent a broad cross-section of everyday city life, with different people, professions, activities, environments, and times of day. The goal is to preserve every reference independently, keep them in the specified order, and transform the full set into one coherent city story without merging characters or losing important visual details. The core settings remain the same: Dreamina Seedance 2.5 and 720p output. For this test, the duration is set to 30 seconds and all 15 reference images are uploaded in the exact order required. Let's generate it and see how well the model can manage this many separate references inside one video. The result is very good. The references remain recognizable, the characters and environments stay separate, and the sequence follows the requested order while naturally progressing from morning to night. Some moments have a slightly generic cinematic city film look, but the actual purpose of this test was to coordinate a large reference set, preserve the source material, and connect it into one structured 30-second sequence, and Seedance 2.5 handled that extremely well. Overall, Seedance 2.5 handled a wide range of tests impressively, from photorealistic action and continuous camera movements to 30-second animation and complex multi-reference workflows. It is not perfect, and some results can still feel slightly generic, but its consistency, reference control, motion, and ability to structure longer videos make it a genuinely useful model for creative production. If you want to test Dreamina Seedance 2.5 for yourself, you'll find the link at the top of the description. Dreamina is the global first platform to launch Dreamina Seedance 2.5, giving creators direct access to the model inside a broader creative workspace. Using Seedance 2.5 on Dreamina is the most affordable option, which becomes especially important when you want to iterate, test different ideas, and generate longer videos. With its model access, flexible reference workflows, and pricing combined, Dreamina is the best platform for using Seedance 2.5 right now. If you found this video useful, leave a like, subscribe to Code and Create, and let me know in the comments which of these tests worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.